This is the best shortbread recipe ever. This recipe was sent to me by one of our viewers, and I absolutely love it. These shortbread are crumbly buttery with a melt-in-your-mouth texture and super easy to make. To make these shortbread cookies, mix together 1 cup of room temperature salted butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat with an electric mixer until fluffy and light. Now, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and mix until combined. If the dough is too thick for piping, add a bit of milk. Place the dough into a piping bag or cookie press and pipe the shortbread cookies onto a baking sheet. Bake the cookies for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius until lightly golden brown on the edges. Let them cool and enjoy. If you liked this crumbly and buttery shortbread recipe, then check out also my other popular video here about making nutritious and delicious sweet potato oatmeal cookies here. Check it out now.